Welcome to the best picks. The best LifeVac is probably one of the most important devices to have at home or in your first aid kit, especially if you have young children or elderly family members. In this video, we will explore the LifeVac, a non-invasive, portable device designed to help clear airway obstructions in choking victims, and we'll discuss its features, effectiveness, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your family's safety. Number 5. LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit. Introducing LifeVac, the portable suction rescue device trusted by medical professionals and everyday people. It's simple to use and has saved thousands of lives. It's designed with a one-way valve, ensuring it won't push the obstruction further into the airway. Just place, push, and pull, it's that easy. LifeVac is safe and effective for both children and adults. It's a reliable solution for choking emergencies. This life-saving device can be used by yourself if you experience a choking emergency. It's designed for ease of use in stressful situations. It only needs replacing if used to save a life. However, remember to check and replace the masks every 2 to 3 years for optimal hygiene. One kit protects your entire family. It's also HSA/FSA approved for added convenience. What we like? It's compact and perfect for travel. If you need a single device for your whole family, this is the one for you. Its portability makes it ideal for on-the-go protection, ensuring peace of mind wherever you are. What people say. The compact, lightweight design of the yellow travel kit makes it incredibly easy to carry in a bag or even keep in the glove compartment of my car. Its innovative design and simplicity make it easy to use, even in high-stress situations. The LifeVac is a game-changer when it comes to emergency preparedness, particularly in situations involving choking incidents in both children and adults. Number 4. LifeVac Yellow Travel Kit. Introducing LifeVac, the portable suction rescue device trusted by medical professionals and everyday people. It's simple to use and has saved thousands of lives. It's designed with a one-way valve, ensuring it won't push the obstruction further into the airway. Just place, push, and pull, it's that easy. LifeVac is safe and effective for both children and adults. It's a reliable solution for choking emergencies. This life-saving device can be used by yourself if you experience a choking emergency when alone. It's designed for ease of use in stressful situations. One kit protects your entire family. It's also HSA/FSA approved for added convenience. It's a worthwhile investment for your family's safety. It only needs replacing if used to save a life. However, remember to check and replace the masks every 2 to 3 years. What we like? Get double the protection for your family with 2 devices. If you want to have one at home and another in the car, this is a great option. This ensures you're always prepared for any choking emergency. What people say. LifeVac makes it easy, its functionality. It can help you save a life. VAC comes with 2 sizes, adult and baby. I've been a certified CPR instructor for over 30 years. I've realized that the Heimlich maneuver fails routinely 30% of the time. LifeVac removes the obstruction 100% of the time and never fails. They are small and can fit in a glove box. Number 3. LifeVac Blue Travel Kit. Introducing the LifeVac Blue Travel Kit, your essential companion for peace of mind. It's compact, easy to use, and could save a life in an emergency. Take this kit with you wherever you go. It's small enough to fit in your bag, but powerful enough to handle any situation. Inside, you'll find a LifeVac suction device, 1 pediatric mask, 1 adult mask, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need is right here. It's designed for simplicity. The special vents maximize suction power, and the ergonomic plunger ensures a perfect fit for everyone. LifeVac is a patented, non-invasive device that can help in airway obstruction emergencies. It's a life-saving tool you can use on yourself or others. This kit is for both children and adults. It's safe and effective, with minimal suction duration. Be prepared for anything. It never expires, unless used to save a life. Just check the masks periodically and replace them every few years for optimal performance. What we like? This one comes with a convenient travel bag. If you're always on the go and need a reliable choking aid, this is the perfect choice. The included travel bag makes it easy to transport and keep organized. What people say. The appearance of the system is simple and compact, making it easy to store. The pieces are all packed to ensure sterilization for use when needed. The product comes with 2 different sizes, adult and child, making it extremely versatile. The seal is extremely strong and provides excellent suction. It comes in a clear, compact, and sleek bag, making it easy to identify and access when every second counts. The design is simple yet effective, and it feels well made. We reviewed the instructions 1.5 years ago and remembered in a panic what to do. I think that speaks to the ease of use and functionality of the product. Number 2. LifeVac Home Kit. Introducing the LifeVac Home Kit, a portable suction rescue device that can save lives in choking emergencies. It's trusted by medical professionals and everyday people alike. It's incredibly simple to use, just place, push, and pull. Unlike other methods, it will never push the blockage further down. This device features a one-way valve, ensuring it safely removes obstructions without forcing them deeper into the airway. This is a key safety feature. LifeVac is designed for self-administration, so you can use it alone if needed. It's a simple 3-step process to help someone choking. One kit protects your entire family, both children and adults. It's also HSA/FSA approved for added convenience. It only needs replacing if used to save a life. However, remember to check and replace the masks every 2 to 3 years. What we like. Ideal for home use and keeping your family safe. If you're looking for a reliable device to keep at home, this is a great option. It provides comprehensive protection for all family members. What people say. Small enough to place one wherever you go, i.e. car, home, parents' house. Easily understandable instructions, and they also have videos online on how to use the product correctly. The LifeVac Home Kit is a compact, easy to use, and gives you a sense of security knowing you're prepared for choking emergencies. The instructions are clear, and the device feels well made. It comes in a Ziploc type bag with the plunger, 2 adult masks and 1 child mask and instructions. It's made from decent material. The one-way suction is incredible. Number 1. LifeVac Home and Blue Travel Kit. Introducing the LifeVac Home and Travel Combo Kit. It's a portable suction device designed to help clear airway obstructions in both children and adults. Keep one kit at home and take the travel kit with you wherever you go for peace of mind. Each kit includes everything you need. This means a LifeVac device, pediatric and adult masks, a practice mask, and easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be prepared for any emergency. It's designed for simplicity, even if you're alone. The special vents maximize suction power, and the ergonomic plunger ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. It's a lifesaver that's easy to use. This life-saving device is available without a prescription. It's safe and effective, providing minimal suction duration. Add it to your first aid kit, or keep it handy for unexpected situations. It's a one-time purchase unless used to save a life. While the device itself is long-lasting, remember to periodically check and replace the masks every 2 to 3 years for optimal performance. What we like. This combo gives you the best of both worlds. If you want the ultimate protection, having one at home and one for travel is the way to go. This ensures you're always prepared, no matter where you are. What people say. Good quality and nice to have an extra safety measure close by. I love that it comes with an adult mask as well, since you just never know. I appreciate the instructions being very easy to understand, and it is already a very simple product, but the directions are a very quick read if someone didn't read them beforehand and had to use the product. And they replace it for free if it is used to save a life. Compact and easy to store, a very valuable safety item, simple and straightforward to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.